Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2021 Nissan Qashqai 1.3 DIG-T Premier Edition, so petrol, automatic. This vehicle comes with a 12 months warranty, extended warranties are available, a multi-point inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a look around the car. Here we are up front, we have LED headlights and front parking sensors, as well as a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. This car comes with 360-degree cameras and a two-tone roof with rear privacy glass. Coming down to the rear wheel. Come around to the back. We have rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside we have cloth interior. Rear ventilation and two USB charging ports. This car features a glass roof. Let's take a look inside the front. Here we have the infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, climate controls, wireless charging pad, drive selector, and electronic handbrake, a leather steering wheel, and a heads-up display. Coming down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.